AIRFRAME, Ice and Rain Control Systems. What are two methods of inflating pneumatic de-icer boots? An engine-driven vacuum pump and bleed air from a turbine engine compressor. How are de-icer boots attached to the leading edges of wing and tail surfaces? Bonding, bearing strips and screws, or a combination of both. What is the function of the oil separator used in some de-icer boot systems? It is a wet type air pump. It is used to remove entrained oil from output air before it is sent through the boot system. What must be accomplished to a de-icer boot prior to a cold patch repair? Relieve the installed tension. What normally keeps de-icer boots held down in flight? Suction is supplied to the boots during flight. What methods are used to supply heat for thermal anti-icing systems? Turbine compressor hot air, engine exhaust heat exchangers, and ram air heated by a combustion heater. How is the temperature maintained in a thermal anti-icing system? By mixing heated air with ambient cold air. What happens to the thermal anti-icing airflow after it has heated a leading edge surface? The airflow is exhausted to the atmosphere. How can an electrically heated pilot tube with an ammeter installed in the system be checked for operation? It can be verified by noting the current consumption when the heater is turned on. Name at least two methods used to remove rain from a windshield. Wipers, pneumatic jet blast, chemical rain repellent, and windshields treated with hydrophobic surface seal coating. What powers windshield wiper systems? Electrical or hydraulic power? What are the two inherent problems associated with windshield wipers when operated in flight? Aerodynamic forces reduce blade pressure and failure to achieve fast enough wiper oscillations. How does a pneumatic rain removal system work? The air blast breaks the raindrops into small particles that are then blown away. Why is a windshield rain repellent system not operated when the windshield is dry? Heavy, undiluted repellent will restrict window visibility. What is the purpose of the electronic timer in a pneumatic de-icer boot system? It controls the operating sequence and time intervals.